A bakery in the Philippine capital will be giving away free cakes for the 6 years of Rodrigo Duterte's presidency. And that is to celebrate his inauguration. Take a look.
And defend its constitution.
Now, Rodrigo Duterte's win in the Philippine presidential election is costing Kim's Bakery in Manila a lot of money. The bakers offer a free cakes for the next 6 years of his term in office if he went viral. Now, Duterte supporters are turning up in droves to claim their reward, costing the bakery more than $100,000 in total. Now, that's 6,000 cakes handed out twice a month until the new president steps down. Owner Ella Kim Labangan says it's worth every penny.
Sa ngayon kasi nakikita ko na gumagawa na ng paunti-unti yung Pangulo sa mga staff, sa mga tao niya, kung sino man yun, lalo na ngayon sa mga drugs cases ngayon, unti-unti na silang bumabagsak. So doon, nagkaroon ako ng idea na, okay, maganda siya naging Pangulo. Marami na siyang nagagawa kahit hindi pa siya nakaupo.
Now, another Manila food establishment is also using its wares to celebrate Duterte's inauguration. These cups of cappuccino come complete with an image of the president and vice president on the top.